Welcome back to my channel, Darice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. As you could tell by the title, yes guys, I have another Coach handbag reveal and I can't wait to share that with you guys. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit that notification bell yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that as well. And of course, make sure that you are just thumbs up in these videos. That's really going to help with the YouTube algorithm. And just leave comments, engage, all that good stuff, because that's how I'm going to continue to just keep growing here on this platform. But without further ado, we are now going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so this video is actually going to start off a little differently, and I hate to start it off on kind of a sour note, but I think it's best that I go ahead and just kind of give you guys a couple of life updates as to kind of what's been going on with me, what I've been dealing with. And I'll definitely put timestamps down below in case you don't want to watch this portion of the video, but I had to do this just because I would only feel, it's the only way I would feel, that I am really just putting my best foot forward and trying to really just make sure that I am keeping a particular memory alive. And by doing that, I want to say that this video is actually going to be in tribute to someone who is near and dear to my heart, who recently passed away. And yeah, I have really just been having a hard time coming to terms with it. This was somebody that I was in a relationship with, and I'm not sure if any of you have ever experienced loss from someone that you have been, in any type of intimate relationship with, but it's different. It's a different type of feeling, especially when it's tragic, unexpected, and all of that stuff. But the reason I chose this particular video in order to pay tribute to this person is because in my last coach video, I mentioned that I didn't have, that was my first coach handbag. And when I was just doing some reflecting, because of course, when tragic things like this happen, it really does cause you to reflect. And I'm like, wait a minute. He purchased my first Coach handbag. I mean, it was many years ago. Unfortunately, I don't have it anymore. But I'm like, this is the perfect way for me to just go ahead and just pay tribute to him. He was an awesome person. And, I just want to say that if you ever have anybody that's in your life that is really a good person, and you really, just know that they're just one of a kind. And some people, I'm sure that we all have that person in our life. Make sure that you just let them know that you always just put your best foot forward with trying to just be there. Check in on people. I'm having a hard time with the fact that I really didn't do that because I was just, caught up with my own stuff and really just getting past that point. But this is gonna, this is really helpful. This is almost like therapeutic for me to be able to do this. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and just show you what I got. He did watch my videos. He always encouraged me. He always told me he was very proud of me with what I was trying to do with this platform. So this is just truly motivation for me to keep going. So this is going to be in loving memory of him. And I am going to now just go ahead and show you what I purchased. Okay guys, so as you guys know, in my last video, I talked about how I had the Coach Marlie handbag, and that was my first handbag. Now, I can admit that it was my second. I can't remember exactly what the first one was. I know, so sad. But now I have a third. And this bag is actually one that I'm really shocked that I was able to get my hands on at the price point that I did. So this bag here, oops. Okay, so I just hit something on my daughter's toy. This here is the Coach Cassie in the color Oxblood. And when I tell y'all that this bag has I see why people rave about this bag. I haven't even taken all the plastic and paper and stuff out. As you can see, it still has everything on the wrapper and all that. But I just got this in the mail yesterday, and I'm like, I cannot wait to talk to my subbies about this bag. And I mean, the leather is just so supple. It's gorgeous. And I see why this bag is very popular and why a lot of people say this is comparable to the Pochette Métis by Louis Vuitton. with that being said, let me go ahead and kind of just show you some of the specs on this bag, because I'm sure you guys have seen 1,000 or 1,000,001 videos on here, but I had to just come here and just share this with y'all because you guys showed me so much love on my last Coach video. So yes, y'all, I have added another Coach handbag to my collection. So let me show you kind of, you know, what it looks like, what I love about it. So here it is. It's gorgeous. As you can see, it has this, it has like this gorgeous, I don't know why I just showed you that paper. This gorgeous, what color is this? This is almost like a cloth material. But I really like it. It has Coach engraved kind of all through it. So it looks very, very luxe. It has a lot of paper in here. So, because it was packaged okay. It was actually just in a bunch of plastic. So it really wasn't a point for me to do an unboxing because it would have took forever for me to get that plastic off on camera. But it does come with a dust bag inside, which I was happy about. At first, I wasn't 100% sure if it would, but it does. So this is like a satin dust bag. It's okay, you know, it's not the best dust bag that I've ever gotten, but you know, it'll do the job if I ever do end up using that, which I really don't. As you can see, my bags are kind of just sitting out like that. But I just really am, I see now what all the hype is about with this bag. And you know, I've been known to put my foot in my mouth a few times on this channel, but yeah, so you get a nice bit of space in here, which I absolutely love. It's really just crossing off all the T's and dotting all the I's for what I need in a handbag. So, so it has the front pocket here, which I'm sure you guys, if you watch or into Coach, you guys know that it has that here. It has an inside pocket right here. And then it has the inside zipper compartment, which, I mean, even more of a plus. And it also has a pocket right here. Now, I'm a person that does not carry that much stuff, but if I did ever want to carry a lot of things, this will be my go-to bag. Now, it has the turn lock closure, which is the same as what's on the Coach Marley bag that I have. So I'm no stranger to that, which I honestly thought that the turn lock was going to be more annoying than what it is, but it's really not. It really doesn't bother me as much as I thought. So I'm really happy that I did not let that deter me. The top handle, you guys know from if you watch my videos that I have discovered that I am a top handle girl all day, every day, to the death of me. And then it has a back pocket. You guys also know that I live for a back pocket on a handbag. So you're going to start to see a trend in a lot of the bags that I buy. And most importantly, it has a crossbody strap, which is all wrapped up. So let me take this off real quick. Here it is, guys. Sorry. So it has this gorgeous brown leather crossbody strap, which you can't go wrong with. I mean, this is absolutely perfect. It's adjustable, so you can make it a shoulder bag if you want to. You can also, of course, well, maybe not a shoulder bag. I would have to really play with it, but you can adjust the crossbody strap. I'll put it like that. And I love the fact that it is detachable. Of course, you have your little Coach little emblem right here, hanging off the side. It has this gorgeous, like a brushed gold hardware, which I really like. This one is more of a shiny gold, as you can see, but I'll do a whole other video where I'm comparing the two bags because I don't want to make this one too long since I had that longer intro. But yeah, this bag, ultimately, I see why it's so hyped up. I mean, when I tell you the quality of this bag feels like amazing. You would think that this bag was like over $1,000. I mean, honestly, I see why people rant and rave about the quality of Coach, because when I took it out and I just felt it, I'm like, this is a forever bag in my collection. And the funny thing is, I did not have any solid bags in chocolate brown. So when I tell you, when I seen this for the price that I seen it at, I was like, I put it in my cart immediately. I purchased this from Dillards online, and it was on sale for, I believe, $262 before tax for a dark brown bag. Y'all, and you guys know we're all about affordable luxury on this channel. So, you know, I really wanted to just come here and show y'all because, I mean, I didn't even know that you can get like a staple color, like a chocolate brown, on sale in this type of handbag. I really didn't. And honestly, I was just explaining to my friend, I am not the person that's going to be spending upwards of $500+ on Coach, y'all. I don't think I've made it to that place in my mind yet. No offense to Coach, but I'm like, when I know I can just get it on sale, it's just really hard for me to do that. So that being said, this is my latest and greatest handbag that I'm adding to my collection. I'm so excited. I am officially a part of the Coach Cassie family, because I see so many videos on this bag and I've always been like, do I like that? I don't want to spend that much. And this regularly retails for $350. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. But y'all, look on your other websites. Don't always just go directly to Coach. I'm sure you guys may know this, but look at your Macy's, look at your Belks, look at your Dillards. If you, online, you may not even have a Dillards in your area, but I just wanted to make sure that I came on here, that I showed you this, and and if you have any questions about it, just let me know. I'll try to link it down below if it's still available, but you know how that goes. I bought this at this point about a week ago, and this is like, today is May 28th, so we'll see, because y'all, I still cannot believe the price I paid for this good quality bag, and it has a substantial amount of space. I'm still in awe. So hopefully this video was helpful to you in some way, and if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.